Hello everyone! Today I'm going to create the mint candy pattern on nails. We are only going to be using nail polish, so anyone can create this design. I made it super easy this time so everyone can do this design for Christmas. Let's get started! I would appreciate it if you would leave comments and likes because I am always looking to improve and I will definitely consider any suggestions. I won't know if the videos I'm making are good or not unless people tell me. With a thin brush, draw the swirls like so. Please watch the video until the end before attempting as it is much easier. I place the dot in the center of the nail with red. With my brush, I create a curve as close as possible to the mint candy and the stripe becomes thicker as it gets to the edge of the nail. Right after you draw the first red stripe, please tell yourself that it is okay if it doesn't look perfect, as I have a juicy secret to make this nail go from boring to stunning in only 5 seconds. Imagine that you will be flipping this exact stripe 180 degrees and then draw the stripe the exact same way as the first time, but of course flipped as you see me doing. Remember that you can always go back to fix the thickness later after you look at the completed product. Repeat steps 4 and 5, so draw 2 more stripes with the color green in the middle of the white spaces as shown. Now, it's time to reveal a juicy secret that will make a huge difference in this design or any design really. Take some silver nail polish and draw curved lines in between the red and green stripes, starting from the middle of the nail to the edge of the nail. This will cover up the middle where all of the colors meet in order for the design to look sharp. Then, to complete the look and to reveal the next juicy secret, take a bottle of clear nail polish mixed with silver glitter and paint small amounts of it all over the nail. Make sure not to put too much glitter. This is a great secret to distract just a little bit from the design and cover up the majority of the design without looking like it's doing any of that. Add top coat. Please share, like, or comment. I would really appreciate your input. Thank you for watching!